from no wind whatsoever this morning to 30-35 knot gusts. We're in Kefalonia and we're all tied alongside. A couple of other boats here as well. We're rafted to one another, but as you can see we're bopping around all over the place. It's supposed to continue until about midnight, maybe even 3 in the morning, so we're just going to be on edge, making sure the boats are alright, not rubbing, not banging.
Well, that's something you don't see every day, isn't it? Sails out. We've been on the sails for now a couple of hours, 2.5 hours, and we're heading towards Savota, so another hour and we should be there. So what are we eating then, guys?
We're eating Greek salad,
Tzatziki, because we've only had one every day.
potatoes, garlic bread, olive paste, a litre of red wine off the barrel.
Homemade, and that's just started. Yeah, it's alright. I can cope. Yeah. So we're in the bay called Sivota on the island of Lefkas, on the southern tip, and it's very, very protected by lots of land around us. And we had a brilliant night's sleep, but coming in was a little bit of a trial. The wind picked up just as we come into the island. When we tried to anchor and more stern too, the wind kind of took us to one side, so that was a little bit tricky. We managed to get in okay. Carl and Jenny came in afterwards and they had the same problem really, and we just struggled a little bit with the anchors and getting secure, so we decided to move over, and we've moved over to the pontoon on the picture's left hand side, which I'll show you in a second, which was nice and secure. We were helped by a lovely guy who obviously works here. He's only a young lad, he was about, I don't know, 20, 25, something like that, and he's an instructor and he was just awesome. He just helped us brilliantly, so we were very grateful for that. So how many fish have you got, Carl? Yeah? Can't hear you, shut up.
Pardon?
Can't hear you.
Landed 2, caught 4, lost 2 big ones.
Kevin?
Landed none.
Aww, that's a bit depressing, isn't it?
Quite normal. I'm waiting for the big one.
Oh dear. Hey, I thought we were on a budget.
Sometimes you just have to do these things.
Why is that then?
Well, we were forced into it kind of, as we had our anchor pulled up by some people who are sat actually behind you. So let's not speak too loud. But we tried to anchor 3 times and that didn't work, so we ended up on the pontoon, but you're supposed to have something to eat, so here we are.
And we've got an amazing Greek salad, we've got some French fries and some tzatziki, which is the cucumber and garlic dip, which is just yummy. Somebody got us onto that, I can't remember who it was. I think it was somebody like Carl and Jenny from...
It could have been that.
Yeah, I think it might have been them.
Yes.
And we're on the end of the pontoon over there, right at the end on the right hand side. But it seems to have calmed off tonight. It was really windy when we started, so hopefully a good night tonight.
I was like, what's a high level navigation?
What's he got?
I think they do have to do a lot of recovery, don't they? So we've been here in Sivota for a week, or more or less a week, and the reason we're still here is it was supposed to be very windy today. We were supposed to get anything between 14 knots of wind gusting up to 37, 38 from midnight last night, and hey, there isn't any. So we held tight, thinking that it would be safer here than sort of setting off anywhere else. And it's just not materialised. There's a new moon or a full moon tonight, I think, and that is supposed to bring the wind, but it was supposed to be for today. Anyway, we're staying tonight and we are going to up the anchor tomorrow and move on. So we're off to where we're going? Argostoli? No, somewhere. I don't know where we're going. We're going somewhere else anyway. Bit warm today.
It's baking, isn't it? I don't know what temperature it is. It's probably not that hot, but there's no breeze at all.
Very humid, isn't it?
Yeah. And it's supposed to be, what, 35 knot winds about now, 12 o'clock?
35, 38, yeah.
Well, tell you what, there is none. Absolutely none. I'm a bit on the wall. And then woke up this morning to a nice calm day, no wind virtually. And the plan is to go to a little bay. And the boys want to try out some mooring techniques, so we're going to go and have a play at that. And then, yeah, we're just going to go off to one of the little islands to do that. And then we're going to head in towards the main bay where their boat was actually picked up from in the first place. Apparently there's a haircut going on over here.
Looks like a fisherman's polystyrene box or something with a seagull sat on top of it.
Yeah, I think it's a marker or something. It's not drifting, is it? Yeah, it's some white plastic drums.
So this island you can see here is an island called Scorpios. It used to be owned by Jackie Kennedy and it was recently sold, I think recently, sold to a Russian billionaire. The Kennedys had the island opposite as well, a bit of a smaller island that they bought for their son, and the billionaire Russian has bought both. So he's now got the bay here kind of fenced off. You're not allowed to go in. I think you'd probably get shot if you did. And there's a big sign up there that probably says you're not allowed. There's a helipad right on the top which they blasted out with dynamite. It's obviously where they land everything for the island. Very nice. This island on the opposite side is the island that they bought for the son, who was killed in a car accident, I do believe, and the house that they were building for him never got finished, so whether or not there's anybody living on there, I've no idea.
This is apparently another one of Jackie Onassis, Jackie Kennedy's little summer retreats. Very nice. They're pretty.
You're seeing Carl? Yeah, it is quite a long bay, this, isn't it?
I missed the shipwreck because there was a oh yeah, I see it. So we're in a foreign country, foreign car, with a driver that was never driven with. It's not scary at all, is it?
I'm a little pissed. He's a police driver, we should be alright.
Yeah.
So we're here in Lefkada and we've come in on the bus. We've actually left the boat in Vliho. And the reason for that is that all the charter yachts are still here and taking up all the spaces, which is a bit annoying really, because this is actually a public quay, which means that anybody can anchor here and it's free. But because all the charter companies have got all the boats all along the quay, there is nowhere to park.
It's all-round view.
Which is only 3 times what sitting up is cost.
So we've had a nice time here. Managed to get some washing done, managed to take the bus up to Lefkas, which was nice. Yeah, and met a lovely couple last night, an American couple on their boat, so we went over for a few drinks there. So it was lovely. So we're heading off this morning, and we're just coming past Nidri on our port side.